Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to the Beginner's Bar. Scott here. Let's go into some Prohibition cocktails, shall we? And today we're going to create the 12-mile limit. This was created during Prohibition as a result of the first failed experiment of having a 3-mile limit when Prohibition was instituted. And what was going on is people would set up casino boats outside on all the coasts over 3 miles away, and then hire people to run boats, skiffs from shore to boat to allow people to have their alcohol. And there was a drink called a 3-mile limit, which I've heard is perfectly forgettable. And so they came up with the 12-mile limit, and this cocktail was created in its juncture. So let's get into it. It's a equal parts cocktail that actually would remind some people of a last word, which we'll get into at a later episode. So first thing we need, 1 ounce of lemon juice. Then we need 1 ounce of grenadine. Then we need 1 ounce of cognac. I am using Pierre Ferrand 1840. And I need 1 ounce of rye. I'm going to be using Old Forester. Go ahead and grab your ice, and I'm going to go 3 cubes. Marry the cocktail. Give it a pop. Let's rock. Grab a Nick and Nora and Hawthorne strainer. And pour. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a 12-mile limit. Cheers. It's tart, it's sharp. You get the fire because of the cognac and the rye, but it's a really good cocktail. I am enjoying this. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe, comment. What cocktail do you want me to do next? You can find me on Twitter at Beginner Bar now. You can find me on Instagram at Beginner's Bar. You can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_inc. You can find me on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. Live streams mainly Thursdays and Saturday nights, starting after the first of the year, which has already passed. I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with another episode of The Beginner's Bar.